Hi everyone, it's Tash and welcome back to the Microsoft 365 SIP. Today I've got a really strong coffee. It's my usual go-to black instant coffee in my new 365 SIP cup. Now there's a reason why today I need extra caffeine. It's because we're going to go through all the Microsoft 365 apps on the Microsoft 365 portal, and I'm going to explain what each one does. Guys, before I move forward, just a quick one. If you're not seeing some of the apps that I'm showcasing today, it could be because you don't have the same Microsoft 365 license that I have, or your workplace has disabled one of the apps. So have a look for the app and check your license. If not, ask your workplace to enable the app if you're allowed to do that. Okay guys, so go to your web browser and in the URL type in www.office.com. Now you'll be prompted to log in with your Microsoft 365 credentials. Now once you're logged in, you'll see on the left-hand side pane, you may need to scroll down, you'll see apps. Click apps and you'll first see that Microsoft 365 will show you a few apps. These are what I call your core regular apps: Outlook, Word, Excel, OneDrive, etc. But if you go to the right and select all apps, you'll see a nice view of all the apps available to you. And we'll go through exactly what they are all used for.
Bookings. Use it when you're tired of email ping pong to schedule meetings. Calendar. Keeps your work and personal life from clashing. Class notebook. Perfect for teachers or trainers to share notes with students. Clipchamp. Great when you need to edit a quick video without the fancy software. Connections. Opens up your workplace news and updates in one spot. Engage. Think of it as your company's internal social network. Think Facebook. Excel. Use it when you want your numbers to actually make sense. Think spreadsheets. Forms. Quick way to collect feedback quizzes or event signups and surveys. Goals. Keeps your teams focused on what really matters. Insights. Helps you to spot bad habits like way too many after-hour emails. Learning. Great for discovering training courses right inside 365. But please continue to follow the Microsoft 365 SIP. Do not rely on learning. Lists. When Excel is overkill, but sticky notes aren't enough. Loop. For real-time collaboration without losing version control. OneDrive. Save your files safely and access them anywhere. OneNote. Keep all your notes, photos and ideas in one digital notebook. Outlook. Keep your day organized, email, calendar and tasks all in the one place. People. Quickly find colleagues' details and see who they work with. Planner. Turn team goals into visual task boards everyone can track. Power Apps. Build your own app without writing a single line of code. Power Automate. Automate repetitive tasks so you can focus and sip on coffee instead. Power BI. Turn boring data into interactive, easy-to-read dashboards. Power Pages. Create professional websites. No developer needed. PowerPoint. Create slides that actually keep people awake. Reading Coach. Helps improve reading fluency with guided practice. Reflect. Great for checking in on how you or your team are feeling. Make sure you check on your colleagues. SharePoint. Use it as your team's main home for files and communication. Staff Notebook. Teachers can share lessons, assignments, and feedback. Sway. Create beautiful reports or stories in minutes. Teams. Chat, meet, and collaborate all in the one place. To Do. Keeps your daily tasks from slipping through the cracks. Visio. Ideal for mapping out workflows or processes visually. Whiteboard. Brainstorm ideas together, no markers are needed. Word. write and co-edit documents without emailing attachments. Whew, that was a lot of apps to get through, but wait, there's actually more. If you go to the top right hand corner and go to get more apps, you can actually search for more apps. On the homepage there, you'll see some featured apps, some from Microsoft, some from external sources. Have a play around and you can find many more apps that you can use and add to your portal.
Ooh, so what's my favorite Microsoft 365 app at the moment? It's Microsoft Bookings. Because instead of me having to email my availability to people, they can just see it on my homepage. They can schedule a Teams meeting with me and the process is all automated for me. So I love Bookings. I think it's a really great app. Give it a try if you've got it on your app list. I really would love to know what everybody's favorite app is. So if you can let me know in the comments below, that would be really helpful also for me to make future videos about that particular app. So please let me know what your favorite Microsoft 365 app is. Oh no, I've run out of coffee and Microsoft 365 apps. So that's a wrap, guys. That's all you need to know about all the Microsoft 365 apps. Have fun, explore, have a play around. Please like and subscribe to the Microsoft 365 SIP for more Microsoft 365 tips.